Hello everybody, I'm Alex the Handyman, and today we're gonna talk about a Speed Queen commercial dryer. So what's going on? The push to start button. The last tenant, it used the machine, pushed the button and it went inside. Boom, gone. Where is it? Where is it? It's gone inside. So nothing here. This is the new one. And this head supposed to be here where you push it to start. So it's gone, so we're gonna replace it. And the part number, it's 55882. Okay, so let's start. The first thing you do is unplug the electric. Do both just in case. There you go. And now there are two screws, one here and one here. Those are Phillips screws. That's one. And this is two. Now we're gonna grab it from here and pull towards you. And see, this is it. It broke from here. What I have done before is I fix it from these tabs and get them to close harder on this, but then it happens again. So for me, it makes sense to replace the whole switch. So I'm gonna unplug them. It really doesn't matter where is where, what is where. It's just a switch. And we're gonna remove the holding nut. So use pliers, but be gentle with the paint. So just undo once, a turn to the left, counterclockwise. And then pull the broken switch. So there are two washers, three washers that you're gonna use again. So don't toss them, leave them there. So you're gonna push it through this hole, and then you're gonna hold it. Then with the other hand, you're gonna screw this nut. Are you nuts? It's very fine thread, so it might take you a few seconds. So now you have it on it. Now once you do it, tighten it with your hands, then use pliers and be gentle with the paint. And just tighten it a couple turns. There you go. So now we're gonna connect the wires. Take the old one out. There are some slots here. You see this goes in here. There are 4. So you're gonna make them to the slot. I lined it with the slot so it goes in, and then a screw one here. Screw number 2. And plug the machine back. Now we're gonna test it. We're gonna close the door so it makes the switch. Then this is another switch. Push the switch and voila, it's working. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Please like and subscribe. Bye bye.